There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Charger SXT Super Track Pack Edition in F8 green. With blacktop appearance group, projector LED fog lamps, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, rear body color spoiler, performance suspension, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Dodge performance pages, dual zone temperature control, rear 60/40 folding seat, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 1069A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.